upon a time, I opened up a Spanish restaurant here in Seattle with my good friend Chris Tangi. He's another master sommelier, and he's someone I respect immensely and who's taught me a lot about wine over the years. He and I got to know the Albarinño grape really well when we opened this restaurant. We had a lot of them on the list. We tasted lots of different ones. And so when I find a shining, beautiful example of the Albariño grape, I generally get pretty excited because there are a lot of cheap ones out there that are not very good, made in very bulk quantities. And then you find when they're made by very dedicated, intense winemakers who really take pride in their craft, they can be some of the most evocative, interesting white wines there are. So we're going to open this wine up. This is the Raúl Pérez Cruz das Ànimas. This is an Albariño from Rías, Baixas, which is a region in northwestern Spain in Galicia. It looks like Pacific Northwest. It's rainy, it's cold, it's very green. People eat a lot of seafood there. So let's open up this Albariño and talk about it. So just looking at this Albariño, it's got that classic, really bright straw yellow color with a hint of green. And on the nose, it's very aromatic. Albariño is not a neutral grape. It's got a lot of floral character. So when I smell this wine, it reminds me of orange blossom. There's really a hint of sea salt or a hint of brininess that you often find in wines that are grown right by the ocean. There's a peachy quality too, like a stone fruit or apricot as well. This is a wine that I love the texture of. So when you're tasting it and opening it, make sure you get it all around your palate and really enjoy the richness of this wine. It finishes very brisk and tart, but at the same time, that fruitiness and the quality and the intensity and concentration of this wine sticks around in your palate after that brisk finish. And that's what I love about a wine like this. It's such a great expression of one grape, the Albariño grape. So pop this open. It really shines best with seafood. So get some oysters or do some prawns. Gambas al ajillo would be an awesome recipe for this, as would any kind of oysters served with like a citrus granita. So think about like a lemon granita or grapefruit granita to go on top of some oysters. Something really delicious to accompany this Albariño from Raúl Pérez. So cheers. Hope you have fun opening this one up.